Guys, welcome back to our channel. So this video is gonna be a very super fun video. As by the title you know that this is gonna be a Sarojini winter clothing haul. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Toby is distracting. Acha Toby, hello बोल के चलो. Don't be shy, put some more. No, कुछ दिन पहले टोबी घर छोड़ के चला गया. Then we all were so worried and we tried to bring him back, but ये नहीं चाह रहा था आने का. He was in his adventurous mode. 3 दिन इसको अपनी औकात याद आ गई तो वापस खुद ही आ गया. So we were all surprised because we live in second floor and it's difficult to climb up for squirrels to come till here. I'm gonna take you guys along with me to Sarojini and even Lakshmi Nagar because I have shopped from Sarojini as well as from Lakshmi Nagar. First I went to Lakshmi Nagar. By the end of the video I'll be showing you guys all the haul what I bought from Lakshmi Nagar as well as from Sarojini. The winter collection in Sarojini was amazing and very nice. I was so tempted to buy everything. Toby! My phone! Toby! Let's go winter shopping with me. I'm ready and I'll do a quick fit check. This is my fit. I'm wearing this tank top from Bonkers and this is a straight leg denim that I got from Majnu Ka Tilla. I'm gonna wear this denim jacket upar se. I'm ready. Let's go. So I couldn't find much pretty pieces in Lakshmi Nagar, so I didn't get much and I didn't vlog as well. And after we were done shopping, we went to Subway to have some paid puja. And that's it, how it went in Lakshmi Nagar. Hey guys, another day, another shopping spree. So I'm getting ready to go to Sarojini today. Sarojini के कपड़े पहन के जाती मैडम इसको. This time I'll spend my money very mindfully. Unnecessary spend नहीं करूँगी. दिल्ली में एकदम से सर्दी बढ़ चुकी है and it's like very cold. I really wanted to go to Sarojini. I love Sarojini. I love Sarojini के कपड़े. So I'm ready. Comfort कपड़े because we are doing business today. So yeah, let's go. So we went to Sarojini by metro and we went on a Monday, and the saddest part was it was so crowded even on a weekday, due to which I couldn't record because I was so scared कि कोई मेरा फोन छीन लेगा.
आजा देख इधर आ, तेरे को ब्लॉग में डालेंगे हम YouTube में.
ब्लॉग का नाम बताओ.
Then after our heavy shopping, you could see that we went to Safdarjung Enclave to have some delicious food. I'm here at La Kitchen. मुश्किल से रिजर्वेशन मिला, नहीं तो कभी मिलता ही नहीं है. आज वीकडेज ले मिल गया. मोमो, of course steam momo. The reaction will be always the same. So this momos never fail my expectation of La Kitchen. the things I got from Sarojini. I'm going to show all the sweaters first, then we'll go to jackets, then lowers. First of all, this is a crop sweater. You can use it like this as a crop sweater. Otherwise, you can use it as put it everything in back and use it as arm warmers. I got this for I guess 150 or 200. So the next sweater is this one. I'm so into white sweaters. I love white cardigans. This is the other sweater that I got 200. And this was all over Sarojini. When I went to Sarojini, मैंने देखा हर जगह यही है. I was like, चलो कोई नहीं, खरीद लिया, पहन लेंगे. The next sweater is this one. I really love the color, so I had to get this. Looks like this. घर पे आने के बाद मैंने देखा कि इसमें 2 छेद है. One here and one here. I got this for 250. Along with this, I got a grey one as well. Both were for 250 each. He said 500 for one. I said, you take 500 and I'll take 2. The last and the final sweater is also a neck warmer. It's like this. It's in a beige color. The thing is that I wanted a high neck wala neck warmer, but this is just a collar. It's just okay. It looks pretty good, but मैंने देखा तो okay लग रहा था. Doesn't look that bad. Looks good. Good, okay, only good. That's the end of our sweater series. Now we are moving on to the jacket. Most of them what I got is puffer jacket. So I bought this jacket, Adidas jacket from Lakshmi Nagar, so that I can use it for my sports and as well as I go to classes. When I travel in my scooty, ताकि हवा ना लगे. It's kind of a wind cheater, yeah. Moving onwards to the next jacket. This jacket had my eyes on it. It had National Geographic written on it, so I just like the color combination. The beige off white behind, पीछे ऐसा है. I bought this for 500. Sorry, this was 600. This is for your scooty and everything, so that I can go in this. ताकि मुझे ठंड ना लगे. My hair is stuck. So the next puffer jacket is this one. It's a bit big. This is not a crop puffer jacket, but it does its work. And I got this for 500 from the Gufa market in Sarojini. पहन के जाती हूँ बाहर, सिर्फ ये पहन के सर्दी नहीं लगती, कितना भी ठंड हो. This is really nice. I really like the quality and the warmness that it gives. And it has pocket inside, which is very useful to keep my phone when I write. This jacket is this puffer black jacket, crop black jacket, and also same मैंने tan shade में भी ले लिया. This we can say it's beige, but in camera it's not that dark, but in reality it looks a bit dark. Both are same. I love them so much, the quality and at the price that they were at, so I bought them. First he said 2,000 for both of them. I said bhaiya, and bought it for 1,500. 750 for each, and they have a really good quality. The puffer is also nice. The stitch is also nice. Zipper is really good, and you also have these adjustable straps. One more jacket I wanted to show you guys, the last jacket. I did a trench coat wala jacket. It's so heavy, this jacket. Fur kind of texture. It's really nice. It's plain. It has a little pink tint and it's a beige color. Off-white type of color, not beige. It has really elegant feel to it and it's really good quality. This was for, I guess, Bhaiya said it for 750. I agreed upon 600. I know it can be bargained a little more, but then we're done with the jacket section. Now we're moving on to the lowers. I got 2 lowers so that I can wear it at home. Garam lower. This is for 100 rupees each. Such a steal deal. This one was giving me a teddy bear feel, so I just bought it. The other is this one, this dark green. I just love the emerald type of green that it has, and it's very soft. And both are for 100. But the other two are like sweatpants. I really love this kind of sweatpants that we see in H&M and Zara. This is very pretty color. Jesse, I saw this color, I was like, मुझे चाहिए ये. This is from the brand Pull and Bear. It's original, okay. This was for 400. अंदर से गरम कपड़ा है इसका. Same with this one. This is also for 400 and the brand is the same, Pull and Bear. It goes with any color of top and anything. This kind of pants, yeah. So that was the lower section. I just got this much, and I also got a shawl. Scarf from Sarojini, this one. They had this for 150. Just got plain wala. This looks pretty nice. I wanted off-white wala, but this is pastel pink, baby pink color. And last but not the least that I wanted to show you guys, night suit. गरम नाइट सूट द सेट दिस इज अ सेट गरम नाइट सूट का सेट है ये दिस इज द अपर इट इज very soft this is not from Sarojini this is from Lakshmi Nagar so the quality is definitely better than Sarojini this is the lower this is also very soft better than the one I got for 100 from Sarojini very soft I got this for 600 both the pair I don't bargain when I feel that इसमें bargain करने का कुछ था नहीं like they also should earn चिंदी वाले हरकतें नहीं कर सकते 10 का बोला तो 5 रुपए पे बोलेंगे that's it for the video guys I am so happy that I at least filmed this video क्योंकि बिल्कुल भी I'm not active these days so yeah stay tuned we'll get more vlogs that's it for the vlog thank you for making it till the end make sure you subscribe like share and subscribe and stay tuned for other videos bye